Hi, my name is Douglas McCoy. I'm the author of How Cool Is It to Recreate Yourself? This is part of the How Cool Is It series that I've been able to put together, which is the world's first series of books that's been specifically designed for right and left brain readers. What we're finding is that a lot of people are right brain readers and they're more artistic and creative users than the left brain people. Left brain people are more analytical, and so they love reading. And so we find that they can get a book and they enjoy reading it through, but as far as a book that's just full of words, for a right brain person it's daunting. After they get to about seven pages, they're ready to give up. And so what I've done, I've filled the book full of bright coloured cartoons, which stimulates your brain, it helps you learn a lot more, keeps you excited and keeps you wanting to know more. They're funny bright coloured cartoons. So I'm sure you'll enjoy and love as you read through How Cool Is It to Recreate Yourself? What we're finding these days is that the whole world's changing so fast. The job that you're doing in the next several years' time, especially in the next 7 years, won't even exist, or doesn't even exist at the moment. So because we've got to change to adapt to the fast and rapidly changing world, this book will certainly help you. How cool is it to recreate yourself? To change yourself from where you are, take yourself from where you are, learn more skills. We teach you principles that will help you in doing that. One of the key principles is PAR, which is a combination of picturing, acting and relaxing, and also the ASK concept, which you'll be able to learn as you read through this. So we teach you the power of the subconscious mind, and you'll love it as you read through the simple steps to how cool is it to recreate yourself. You'll enjoy this, it can change your life. For people that are ready to take a new challenge in their lives, for those that are a bit worried and a bit problems that may even be considering suicide, and I think people are a bit worried, how cool is it to recreate yourself? It can show you exactly what steps you can do to be exactly the person that you really want to be. It's one of the great joys in life. I'm sure you'll love it as you read through How Cool Is It to Recreate Yourself, which is part of the How Cool Is It series. And so enjoy yourself. The techniques that we teach in there are part of what we learned from Dr. William Tanner, a brilliant psychologist who I've worked with since I was 20. So good luck as you read How Cool Is It to Recreate Yourself. Enjoy yourself and change your life. Thank you.